my dress. This is what I have on. King James, little sweatshirt. I don't think I am gonna put these on. Right, and this bag, this bag. Let's see. Kind of dress down. I'll put that on. Alright. I just want to go around some errands. I gotta go to CVS to get my medicine. I go. No, bag. Alright. Get some. I'll be out of breath. Oh my goodness. Whew. Just by getting dressed. Alright. But I'm gonna throw these on. I actually have 3 holes in my ear, actually. I don't really like my hair, but oh, I forgot this was silver. Oh, I gotta change accessories. I forgot I had that clip in my hair, and that is silver. So, I always like to put on a bracelet, a necklace. If I can find my necklace. Necklace I want to put on. Let's wear that today. My daughter gave me this. This is my dad's picture. So I'm gonna put that on since we got more silver. Alright. And I can feel like if I get up and go through the process of getting myself ready, it makes me feel good. Alright. Now, I don't know if I want to put on hoops today. Since I have my hair up. Hard to catch my damn breath. Trying to get this damn necklace out of here. Since we got me dressed down, I'm gonna put these on. I was gonna do these, but I don't know. They just some little smaller hoops. They real cute, real cute. So water. All right. I think we look okay. Alright, got my bracelet on. I usually put this bracelet as a bracelet that I made. Made that. So, I'm gonna put that on. I call this my stress reliever bracelet because I made it and I was going through a really, really hard time. So I put it on as a reminder of where I was then and then where I am now. Okay? Alright. I'm not going to go with this bag because it has gold in it. So, this is all. I have more, but I had this thing for years. I have so much jewelry in here. But this is the main jewelry that I wear on every day. So, I had this for I don't know how long. Alright, now let's go ahead and pack my bag. I'm gonna carry my fat oil. Get my keys. My wallet. And perfume. I think I'm gonna go with this today. You don't need a lot of this. It can be very strong. Why I continue to spray all of that. Okay, wow. Always overspray. Alright. Let's get out of here. I just wanted to hop back in. I have some things deep on my mind. I want so much out of life, and I feel as though I'm trying, but I feel like I'm in a hamster wheel right now. I feel like everything that I'm trying to do is just not coming to me. I went on an interview recently, went for the assessment test, and was in training, and the test was about acronyms on how to do the job, which I know is essential, but I couldn't remember all those damn acronyms. I just couldn't. But I'm trying to stay positive. I know something is going to come for me. That's for me. And I just have to, keep my eyes on the prize. What's meant for you is going to be for you, period. So I'm just going to stay focused on that, okay? I know what's meant for me. Nobody can take that away from me because it's meant for me. But I really feel like I'm in a hamster wheel right now. Like, I'm trying. But some days I'm just like, what's the use? but I know if I get back in that headspace, it's not going to be good for me. It's not going to be good for my family, and it's not going to be good for me. And if I'm not good, I can't do nothing for them. So I'm trying to stay focused on the end goal and what I need to do. But yeah, I'm just feeling that way today. I just wanted to, let y'all know that every day is not going to be a good day. I don't wake up some mornings and just feeling happy. I do have my moments where I'm just not in that headspace. And, today is one of them days, but I'm going to continue to push forward. Because I know when I'm in a good mental space, I know what I can do. So I'm just going to continue to hustle and stay focused. That's it, But let me go ahead and run in CVS and let's see if they got anything good, anything on sale. Alright, so did find a little park. I got my journal and I got a book. So let's see. This park is called Overbrook Park. I've never been out here before. So there's some little tables out here. So let's go over there. I'm just gonna walk. It looks like they do soccer or something out here. And I just like to sit outside sometimes when I'm doing my little journaling. And of course, I'm out of breath. I need to get out and walk more. And it's nice and clean. Might be my little new spot.
I be having to motivate myself sometimes, you feel me? Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused, young nigga, stay focused. 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 Hurdles jumping in your path. Niggas switching on me down. All I know is get the bag. Nigga go and get the bag. I've been going through some shit.